Hi guys! Welcome to Apartment Life as a college student. Today's video is gonna be a little different because I am finally getting my apartment professionally cleaned by Get Clean. So this is Ate Babeline and Kuya Dominic. They're the cleaning experts that clean the apartment. During the service, na-realize ko na kailangan ko rin pala to kahit maliit lang yung apartment ko kasi wala akong vacuum or any of the special cleaning supplies that they have. That's actually one of the things that I love about their home cleaning service. Hindi mo na kailangan bumili ng mga cleaning supplies kasi kumpleto talaga sila sa gamit. Ayan yung roommate ko, na-stuck siya sa balcony habang nililinisan nila yung damitan namin. Promise ko sa'yo, wala talagang makakatakas na alikabok kasi isa-isa talaga nilang pinupunasan yung mga gamit namin. Tingnan nyo naman yun sahig guys, napaka-shining, shimmering, splendid. Oh, ayan na naman si vacuum, pati si Olaf, vinacuum na din. So, after they clean the bedroom, nilinisan na nila yung balcony. Grabe, after so many months, makakatambay na kami dito kasi ang alikabok talaga. They also have their own cleaning system, so alam talaga nila yung ginagawa nila. So kung gusto mo, mag-relax ka na lang dyan sa tabi. Huwag ka na mag-overthink dyan, overthinker ka pa naman. Another thing that I love is they use trusted brands like Domex. Kampante talaga ako sa linis pag Domex ang gamit. For inquiries, you can always find Get Clean at Get Clean Home Cleaning. Oh, buti pa yung CR namin nakaligo na. Ikaw, naligo ka na ba? Charot lang. So ayun, pati pader nilinisan nila. Lahat talaga kinukuskus nila ng sponge. Alam nyo ba, hindi ko ina-expect na malilinisan nila yung kisame ng CR. Basta pakita ko yung before and after later. So dito naman tayo sa shoe rack. Grabe, pati shoes namin vinacuum. Oh, ayan, favorite part ko yan kasi ang gulo-gulo ng cabinet namin. Pero inayos talaga nila. So this is the reveal of our toilet. Grabe, napakaputi. Parang pearls. Grabe, parang ayoko na mag-CR. So ito pala guys yung sinasabi kong before and after. Grabe, believe talaga ako. Binilan ko nga sila ng pang-merienda na tinapay kasi grabe nakakapagod talaga yung ginagawa nila. So this is the reveal of the water in the vacuum. Grabe ang dumi guys. So what are you waiting for? I-get clean na yan.